Hello guys, welcome to TeamLease YouTube channel. A great news for you. Client of TeamLease Services Limited is hiring for AC technician. So for which location they are hiring for? So they are hiring for Delhi location. Let's talk about duties and responsibilities of AC technician. So coming to the first point, the air conditioning technicians should be able to install, inspect, maintain and repair the air conditioner. And coming to the second point, should be able to perform regular maintenance work on cooling units, should be able to diagnose electrical and mechanical defects and malfunctions, should be able to install, replace or repair equipment that has been damaged, should be able to make an adjustment and do calibrations of thermostatic controls, preferably a biker only. It means you should have a bike for sure. And coming to the last point, we need candidates who can join us with couple of days only. If you are applying for this role and only if you can immediately join for this role, then only you apply for this notification. So coming to the experience, basic 6 months of experience is required up to 2 years on field experience. So let's talk about the salary part. So coming to the salary part, they'll give you fixed CTC from 18,000 rupees to 22,000 rupees. Along with that, you will get 3 rupees per kilometer convenience charges, and along with that, mobile plus incentives. So guys, if you know this work and if you are having relevant experience and if you are also having a bike with you, this notification is right for you. So I'll be keeping this link in the description below. Go there, come to this page, attend the interview and crack it up. So all the best guys, we are coming up with much more notification video for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.